Welcome to our next example under the algebraic process. We are going to continue with this. The question says find x and y if 3 power 2x minus y is equals to 1 and 16 power x all over 4 is equals to h power 3x minus y. So now to solve this equation or to find x and y, we have to express each of these equations as a linear equation. For instance, we have to express this 3 power 2x minus y is equals to 1 as a linear equation. So also this one as a linear equation. To express this as a linear equation, we have to use a law of indices that say n power 0 is 1. This n may represent any number any number can represent this n. That means if we are to use this, we can change this one. That is, we can say 3 power 2x minus y is equals to 3 power 0. We now consider this one as 3 power 0 because 3 power 0 is 1 according to the law of indices. If that is the case, we now have the same base, 3 power. We have 3 power 0 here and 3 power this here. So we can ignore the base now. We see 2x minus y is equals to 0. We consider this as equation number 1. And from this we have y is equals to 2x. So we now express this as a linear equation. The next is to consider this one, let's say 16 power x all over 4 is equals to h power 3x minus y. To express this, we have to make this and this with the same base. To make this with the same base, we can say, okay, we can make this like 2. If we say 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is the same as 16 because we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 16. That means 2 power 4 is equals to 16. So we now say this is 2 power 4, 2 power 4x. We are multiplying this with x all over 2 square because 2 times 2 is 4 is equals to 2 power 3 bracket 3x minus y. I hope we are following. So from here we have 2 power 4, 2 power 4x minus 2 is equals to 2 power, we expand this bracket. If we expand this bracket, we have 3 times 3, we have 9x, then 3 times minus y minus 3y minus 3y. So since we have the same base, we just ignore the base and use the power. So we have 4x minus 2 is equals to 9x minus 3y. We rearrange the equation by collecting the left term. So here we have 4x minus 9x is equals to, these two should go to the other side of the equal sign will become 2, and then this y, okay, let us transfer this y before we transfer the 2. This is minus, it becomes plus, minus 3y will become plus 3y is equals to, these two should go to the next side. When you cross this equal sign, it becomes 2. So we now simplify. That will be the next. 4x minus 9x, we have minus 5x plus 3y is equals to 2. The next thing here is to substitute this value that we have. We have y is equals to 2x. So wherever we have y, we have to substitute it in this given equation. So now we have minus 5x, and how we are following, then plus 3, where we have y, we change it to 2x, then multiply by 2x is equals to 2. From here we have minus 5x, then we expand this bracket, we have 3 times 2x will give us 6x. We have minus 5x plus 6x is equals to 2. How we are following? From here we have minus 5x plus 6x will give us what? Will give us x, because minus 5 plus 6 will give us 1. So now we have x is equals to 2. Our x is 2. We now calculated the value of x. So from the question we are asked to find the x and y. So now we substitute this x is equals to 2 is equals to y, because our y say y is equals to 2x. Wherever we have this x, we change it with 2. So now we have y is equals to 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. Therefore, y is equals to 4. How we are following. So we now find x and y. So you have to, we now have y is equals to 4 and then x is equals to 2. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Welcome to our channels. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped under the algebraic process. The next question says, find x and y if 2 power x minus 2y is equals to 1 and 3 power 2x plus y is equals to 27. So to find this question, we have to express either of our equation, that is the both of our equation, in terms of linear equation. We are going to say 2 power x minus 2y is equals to 1. We use a lot of indices to change this into another thing, so that we have 2 power x minus 2y is equals to 2 power 0, because any number power 0, if you remember the indices, any number power 0 will give us 1. So now we have the same base, we drop the base and use the power. So we have x minus 2y is equals to 0. From here we transfer this 2y to another side to make x the subject of the equation. So we have x is equals to 2y. We call this equation number 1. The next one we use another equation, which says 3 power 2x plus y is equals to 27. So to change this one to 3 power another thing, that is the 27, we say 3 times 3 times 3. That means we have 3 power 3, because 3 times 3 will give you 9, and 9 times 3 will give you 27. So now we change this 27 to 3 power 3. So we have 3 power 2x plus y is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. The same, we drop our base, that is 3. We use this the power. So we have 2 power 2x plus y is equals to 3. Because we have the power of 3 here, and here we have the power 2x plus y. So from here we have equation number 2. This equation number 2, remember we have in equation number 1 x is equals to 2y. So wherever we have x, we change this x to 2y, so that we calculated our y. So now we have 2 times x, and x is 2y, we say times 2y plus y is equals to 3. From here, 2 times 2 will give us 4. We have 4y plus y is equals to 3. Now 4 plus 1, we have 5y is equals to 3. The next thing is to divide both sides by 5 since we are looking for y alone. So now we have 5 go into 5 one time and y is equals to 3 power 5. Since we have the value of y now as 3 over 5, we now use this equation number 1 and to find the x. So we have here x from our equation number 1, x is equals to 2y. So we say x is equals to 2 times 3 all over 5 because y is equals to 3 all over 5. So from here we have x is equals to 6 all over 5 because 2 times 3 will give us 6. So now therefore our x is equal to 6 all over 5. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.